haven't vlogged since morning. I was a little busy, but me, my mother-in-law and Araveer are now going to the hospital because this little guy needs his vaccination. चले? आपको वैक्सीनेशन करा दे? अरवीर कहाँ जा रहे हैं? घूम तुम हॉस्पिटल आए हो? अरवीर हॉस्पिटल जा रहे हैं वैक्सीनेशन कराने। तुम्हें वैक्सीनेशन पसंद है? आइसक्रीम नहीं खाएंगे। वैक्सीनेशन पसंद है? आइसक्रीम नहीं, वैक्सीनेशन। अरवीर वैक्सीनेशन क्या है? अरवीर ये ग्रेप्स है? ग्रेप्स ग्रेप्स Araveer is sleeping and I just saw there is some kind of an आंधी तूफान coming. It's windy for sure. Look at the birds, man. Rains, and I really hope that Araveer wakes up before it rains. He's asleep right now. The vaccination went well. I'm going to come inside and talk to you because otherwise wind noises. So the vaccination overall went well. I think Araveer has started to recognize what an injection is because he started crying. He didn't start crying, but he started getting like, oh, I don't want this, I don't want this, kind of a reaction when he saw the injection instead of when it was like, obviously when he got injected he started crying, but he kind of did get like, I saw him see the injection and be like, oh, leave me. So oops. But overall I think it went well. He, like, I mean, obviously he did cry. He's a baby, he did cry, but he was okay in a little while. His weight, height, everything is perfectly okay. His teeth are coming out perfectly okay, which is good. It was the first time that I was a little concerned about Araveer's weight because since the last couple of weeks I just felt that he is not looking like, I just felt he's looking more thinner than he should, and the doctor was like, it's okay, no problem, the weight gain is perfectly fine. So I was like, thank God. I don't think vaccination, but the next thing that's going to happen is after 18 months there will be a child developmental screening and an autism screening, which is something very normal. What they are trying to do is kind of make sure that the child is developing in all areas, and where should we as parents and where should them as doctors concentrate more on, you know, things that are lagging behind. They just want to check what's going well, what's not going well. So that is due to happen after he turns 18 months. When we entered the room there was like a Mickey Mouse there were pictures of a balloon and everything. So Araveer kept on talking and socializing with the doctor and the nurse, and the doctor was like, the language and social skill I can see is developing perfectly fine. We just need to check like other things like motor skill development and stuff. I was actually thinking of kind of starting games for Araveer which help in motor skill development. If anybody who's watching this has any idea about what I can teach Araveer or what kind of games we can play for motor skill development, comment down below. Or if any parent of an older child or somebody who's knowledgeable is watching this, let me know how else I can help Araveer grow and develop. We are reading books, we are playing with blocks, I'm giving him alone time to play on his own, free play time or whatever you call that. So I'm doing all of that, plus we are involving him with things that we do around the house. He knows what jhadu pocha is, he knows dusting, he knows, like when I make roti I give him a small dough of like a small ball of dough to play with, kind of telling him what we are doing. So this is kind of what I do with him. If anybody who is a little more knowledgeable, can you please like just tell me what else I can do or what else I can play with him to kind of help him more. Also I just burped, sorry. I think you and I are getting to this point in our relationship that I can burp in front of you. One of the rare times. The moisture is awesome. My husband is home, my child is asleep, and my husband is working. and I need to work. आंधी तूफान देखना है आपको? हाँ? आंधी तूफान दिखाती है मम्मा आपको। आंधी नहीं है यहाँ पे, आंधी है। आंधी तूफान देखो, ज्यादा तूफान नहीं आ रहा। हवा चल रही है अरवीर, हवा क्या चल रही है? हवा। भोबो दिखा आपको? भोबो है वो, भोबो भोबो दिखा।
आंधी तूफान हो गया।
हवा। कल परसों जब कल गए थे ना जो ग्रोसरी स्टोर, तो एसी की हवा आई तो एकदम से हवा हवा ऐसे कर रहा था।
हवा आ गई,
हवा आ रही, हवा। क्या खाएगा अरवीर? दाल, सब्जी, दही, सैलेड, एंड रोटी। बाय बाय कर दो दादी को। बाय बाय। कहाँ जा रहे हैं अरवीर? पार्क नहीं जा रहे, शॉपिंग जा रहे हैं। We are going shopping to Sarojini Nagar. Basically, the weather is so amazing right now that we just had to get out of the house. So that's what we're doing. I'm with my hubby and with my baby. So yeah, I have been dying to go to Sarojini Nagar like since forever. I mean, I love. Hi, Arvind. Like I have been to Sarojini Nagar only twice, and I've never found anything in my size ever there, except I once got like a white, enormously huge top for the oddest reasons. I thought it would fit me. It like two of me could have fit into that. It was really huge, and I don't even know why I bought that. And since then I haven't bought anything from Sarojini. Although in my first trip I bought this amazing denim bag which everybody kept asking me where I got that from, and I used that a lot in college, and everybody in my college loved that bag. And I mean, I'm from a fashion college, so you can imagine that how good that bag would be. Anyways, the point is, this is the third time I'm going to Sarojini Nagar, and I'm hoping that the third time will be lucky or whatever. I really like, I love all the Sarojini hauls that everybody does. They have like such amazing stuff, and I never find anything there. So I'm really hoping that I'll find something really good. आप ही बोलेगी जानू। मेरा बेबी मुझको काम बहुत है, एंट्री का कोई चक्कर नहीं, तेरे यार का नाम बहुत है। जो दिलवाई थी बर्थडे पे, पार्टी के बाद भी चलेंगे अपने अड्डे पे। कर लिया यानी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया, यानी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया, यानी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया। यही नहीं था सरोजनी। Has me singing every time we go anywhere. Wait for the lyrics to come. But I'm not sure ये वाले lyrics में जाते हैं, जो अभी चले गए वही आते थे। मेरा रिश्ता है ऐसा कि पल दूर गवारा नहीं, और आज ही तुझे मुझको वक्त सही रम्हा मेरा हुई
अच्छा मम्मा गंदा खा रही है ना
That is how I normally say.
पापा आप ही खा लो
अच्छा, for everybody who's wearing F1, sorry. In the spirit of doing street shopping, we are also having street food. Change of plan. The street shop did not have anything that RAV could have. They said they have idli and stuff, but South Indian wasn't available. हाँ, कप मिलेगा अभी. So now we are thinking of letting RAV experience McDonald's for the first time. Where we should be going, where we are going. They have high chairs here. How cute. क्या नहीं आ रही? छोटा भीम. छोटा भीम है. Do you like it? पापा ने दिलाया आपको? हाँ. There is so much stuff in Sarojini. Like literally anything you can think of is here. Beam. इसको देखो. नूना है आपका ये. This is so cute. छोड़ ही रहा उसको. छोटे भीम को भी रैप कर लिया अपने रैप में, है ना? छोटे भीम को भी रैप कर लिया हमने. Hi guys, Arivir has just slept. I'm going to quickly show you guys what I got from Sarojini. I did not get a lot of things, although this time surprisingly I did like and I did find things that I liked in Sarojini Nagar. But we were kind of like, we went really late. We went at around 6:37 and the shops closed at around 9. And in Sarojini, especially for somebody my size, because I am a plus size, I'm size 18, for someone like me you kind of do need time, because not every shop has your size, or if they have your size then they don't have the design you like. So that was a little sad. For somebody who's like small medium, you guys have like a bunch of it. I mean, I don't even know why you guys shop anywhere else because Sarojini is like such a treasure box, I guess, because obviously there are some clothes that are like really bad, but some of them are like so good. So the first thing that I got was this top. It's a very nice floral summery top and it has a bit of a flare at the bottom. It has buttons. I don't know if you can see, the print is a little too busy for anybody to see anything in it. But I really loved how summery and nice and springy and kind of easy to wear this is. The second one that I got was this black top, which has, although you can't really see in this camera, subscribe. I'll probably wear one of these tops soon. So it has a little bit of like a choker neck and then a deep V, and it has buttons at the back and they kind of gape, so I will have to wear a spaghetti top inside this. Sorry, my sister-in-law's here, so that's the background noises you can hear. We also got sunglasses. I have been dying to get these since forever. I saw this, I don't even remember where I saw this, but wherever I saw this I loved it and I was like, I have to get this. I love this bar going across. I just love it. I just love it. The tops, I want to tell you, the tops were for 200 each and this is also for 200. And I think one of the cutest things that we bought, except for Chota Bheem, was sunglasses for Aryaveer. How cute are these? I'll make him wear it sometime and show you guys, or it'll probably be on my Instagram soon. I'm pretty sure it'll be on my Instagram very soon. And just as we were leaving, I saw this shop that said 20 rupees per earring. 20 rupees for such pretty earrings. I got these. Oh, so cute. These are the ones that I got for my sister-in-law. I got myself a pair of black ones, which are same. How cute are these? Then these that are like antique gold in color. I mean, for something that's 20 rupees, these are actually really good quality and really nice. Look how cute these are. Next, I got these two pair, which I think are again so cute. This one is just like a basic triangle. Wait, camera, why will you not focus? These are like basic triangle, yellow in color, which I found are so cool. These, I'm like, I haven't seen this before. These are like cloth buttons, but these are earrings, which I was like, this is like this. I can't really not wear this. So I'm really kind of happy with my Sarojini Nagar shopping this time, and I will probably be going back to shop more because I still have to buy some bags. I have heard Sarojini has like the best bags. I did see a few of them that I liked, but again the shops were closing down, so I couldn't really buy them. Anyways, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to click that subscribe button. Also, I look like a boy with my hair tied like this. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.